Clear to see. Today is Thursday, November 18th, and I am editing a video that I didn't plan on posting this video at all, like honestly. But because it's from September. Well, y'all know I post old videos anyway. But I was gonna post the video because I didn't show my outfit in the video, which is, I guess, whatever. But yeah, I was gonna post a video, and well, y'all could see a little glimpse of my outfit when I'm walking in the restaurant, and I was gonna post a video because of that same reason. But I'm like, this is a fancy ass restaurant with good food. The food was so good, and I'm like, girl, you better go post that damn video. You got like clips more than 5 minutes. That's a good content that needed to be posted. So this is why I'm deciding to post this video today in November. But anyways, other than that, thank you guys for supporting me. Like, I see the musical survivors and I appreciate y'all so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate y'all. Just please don't forget to like and comment. I want some Louis. They fake Louis. They fake Gucci. Got a lot of hotels around here. Sheridan is over there.
Like something right here.
2-seater? Okay. Thank you. Why you want a 2-seater? Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Hold the top when you pour out the rest of the drink, okay?
Thank you.
Oh, is it a yeah. And you were done with the bread? Yes.
Yeah. I didn't know it would be that much. This is my first time eating lamb. That looks good.
Enjoy dinner.
Thank you. Ooh, nice. Fancy.
lobster mac and cheese. That's steak. This is monkey business. This is tiki time.
I'm a crazy.
So, my first time trying lamb, and it is so good. The mac and cheese, the lobster mac and cheese is so freaking good.
The next day.
I did all of this already all the day, but now when it's this empty. I'll wake up soon.
Bye.